from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 9:15 p.m. At 8:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles northeast of Jackson Park Harbor to near Gary, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source: radar. Impact: boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Indiana Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, and Hammond Marina. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. for East Central Will, Southeastern and Lake County. A severe thunderstorm